Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do my front porch for fall reveal. I've been talking about this on my channel for a while. It's so much fun. I've been doing a lot of fall content, so if you're new here, hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I'm going to show you here what I started with. It was looking really sad. That harvest sign that you see there on the right, that was actually a Dollar Tree DIY that I did a few weeks ago. I will link it below. I did a few front porch sign things that were really easy and really inexpensive. You'll want to check it out. Like I said, I've been doing a ton of fall stuff. I'm totally into it, if you can't tell from all the pumpkins that I have. Here I'm putting out some like hay bales. I think that's what you call them. This is my first time decorating with hay, and I was so excited to find these at Walmart. They were just under $8 each. I think that's a great price. If you buy these at like a farmer's market or something like that, at like a flower shop, they're going to be a lot more expensive. And now I'm layering in these pumpkins that I got at Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is my favorite place to get pumpkins every year. This video was a little delayed because I was waiting for my Trader Joe's to get their pumpkins. I was calling every day. I love getting them there because they're so inexpensive. They sell the big like jack-o'-lantern traditional pumpkins for just $4, and then the heirloom pumpkins, that's those pumpkins that are like different shapes and different colors, those are $6.99 each. And if you buy heirloom pumpkins anywhere else, they are going to be so much more expensive, guys. So I love getting them at Trader Joe's. And then I got some of these smaller medium-sized pumpkins. I think they're called sugar pumpkins. They're used when you're baking pies, but those were just $2 at Trader Joe's, and then the mini pumpkins were 69 cents each. So this is a good trick that I like to do. I like to get a few of the pricier pumpkins and then get a bunch of these 69-cent pumpkins and layer them in, and you get that lush overflowing look for a lot less. I've got a bucket here of tiny pumpkins. That was a Dollar Tree DIY as well, linked below. And then I've got some mums in a little planter that I also did. This mat here, it came from Burlington Coat Factory, and it was just $6.99. You cannot beat that price. At Walmart, at Target, it's going to be so much more. I totally loved it. I snapped it up, and here is the finished look. I've got just a few mums in there. The mums were from Walmart. The mums are under $4 at Walmart. Really inexpensive here, but still getting that overflowing with pumpkin and floral look. I think that it looks a lot more expensive than it actually was. I put all my stuff to one side because my walkway, it's such a way that this is really the angle that you see when you're coming up to my house. You don't see the other side of the porch, so I tend to do that with my decor. I layer it all on one side, and then the wreath that I have up on the door, it's just a wreath that I've already had. I didn't buy it special. It came from Home Goods a few years ago. I'm sure you can find something similar. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are doing to your porch. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and stay tuned. I've got more fall projects coming. Thanks for watching.